this is where the story begins. Amy walks in and she says, I got those names. Can you please... I added one, no? I think that was the reason. I think I added Denny? No?
I don't think you did add one. I think I wanted to disguise more. I kind of didn't regret having them done, but wouldn't have chosen like now. So I wanted to disguise.
I can add them if you want one day. In the sense of like, it would kind of blend more with that style.
Yeah, probably in the future. But I kind of just wanted something to take your eye off them, so it stops.
I think we did a good job because now you wouldn't even know there's
no,
that.
yeah.
Like we did the max out option, sleeve, back, ass, leg.
Yeah.
No one even knows you have kids' names.
Nobody sees the writing.
Yeah, so we did the job really good. It's actually quite cool that stayed in there. And like those are not done by me, but or maybe I relined them. No,
you did realign them.
Did I?
Because they blew up terrible. So you tried to correct.
Oh. I physically can't remember. This is like 6 years ago. This is where I first met Amy. And then as I was doing this, I was saying like, one day we're gonna do this back and arm and all that stuff, and she says, no, I would never do that. I would never do that. My mom's gonna kill me. And then session 2 comes and she says, can we add something here? And I think that was session 2.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that was.
Yeah.
And then once we did the mandala, I think that was session 3. I think or maybe the rose.
I feel like the rose in there.
That could be.
I think we did
3.
that.
So that's one of my favorite roses. She hates it. Like it's so smooth, it's so clean, it's so nice.
Your work is improved.
And then she's
greatly.
like, no, I don't like it. It's horrible.
And I have to see it upside down too. And I can never see it the right way.
Maybe that's why you don't like it. Cause
Maybe.
It's upside down. But yeah, you can see that I was pretty smooth back in those days. This is like 6 years ago. And then what also happens is the shading ink itself, they kind of blur out. So if you have like a really bit more dotsy shading, it will blur out. But I was pretty smooth and I remember like that was like smooth. I was super happy. And then I think as I did that, she says she wants mandala because we did the mandala inside there. You wanted something that repeats there.
Yeah.
And I was like, what if we do some areas in black? She says, no, too black's too dark. And I was like, yeah, go on. And we did. We added some bit more black to it. And you were in shock.
So that's when I liked it. I discovered that I actually really like black.
But you were panicking.
Oh, I was...
That is going to be way too dark. Because when the grey wash... So Amy's one of those where you actually go pretty red fast.
Yeah.
So like the back is still kind of really... Fucking that looks mint. But like red, you go red really fast. So all this is like really like traumatized look.
Yeah.
And then I tried to convince you, no, it'll be sound, it'll be cool, like, and you're there panicking, shitting, fuck, I still need to pay for this. But then, then it calmed down, and then certain elements became the dark ones. And then that was it. Then Amy was hooked. And then because of that, we got this arm blacked out almost.
Yeah.
But then how did we end up with the butt?
We kind of then went sort of under. And...
No, I think we did the dream catch afterwards.
Did we do that?
I feel like
Maybe we did. And then this was like a gap filler from the dream catcher.
Or maybe not. But I'm just looking how these designs are stacked. Yeah, I think the flower goes underneath the dream catcher. So I feel like that should have been probably first. And then we did that. But yeah, dream catcher. Super duper soft. Nice and gentle. This is like me calming down Amy. Like, no, it's not going to be that dark.
This is me years ago.
And then that's what you had only at that time.
Yeah.
But what was the next one then? The shoulder blade, huh? I think maybe
Cover
from that
up.
to there, yeah.
Covered up.
And then maybe you can show your favourite peony.
Yeah, it's my favourite and no one gets to see it.
Amy's favourite peony.
It's just my favourite.
Still your favourite is
Yeah.
from all of those, yeah?
Yeah.
All these hours I've spent. The mandala actually looks mean when it falls in half. Like, really cool. Nice, I like that. How does it look from this side? Not that effective. But this side looks mint, like it's like a straight line there. I probably should take photo later on. Yeah, then that's that. And then we jumped on your shoulder blade,
Yeah.
which was
Yeah.
the who knows what session that was. Yeah, peonies, raven, and there was something underneath there
Yeah.
which I don't know even what was it.
Old
But we
tattoo.
picked kind of arty style, so it gives us ability to be creative basically, and we needed to have the shape. Basically, allows us to do any shapes you want. And one is you can see the birdie, but it does the cover up so good that you wouldn't never think there's anything underneath. And then when you got like some darker shading around the flowers here, it just blends the same story. And now we are thinking to maybe extend this black into the black into the back, but we can't because we haven't crossed the side bridge yet. So whatever goes here and goes in the stomach, if they are linked or if we ever gonna do. Anyways, that was just us talking, but I feel like a black sneaked into would give extra layer of readability to the whole ecosystem, because now we got like a gray and gray and gray and gray and gray and gray, but there's nothing that separates, which when it's on the arm it does more separates. So when these pieces were more individually, they were cool because they were there by themselves against the white. But now when we have introduced more stuff around it, now we have to think about how to make them more friends and be individuals at the same time. Maybe we can even like use this pattern to bring it through. But now maybe we would just add more. I don't know. We'll see.
Maybe we do clouds.
Some clouds, obviously. But yeah, at some point we did the finger on the hand.
Yeah.
That was, I don't know what was it, but that was cool. I really liked that. I remember like when I did first, it was just a nice sneak and a hand.
Mm.
And then somewhere we did the fingers as well.
Yeah, we did.
Yeah, I forgot about them. That was like
some Egyptian.
yeah.
And they've held well.
How old are they now? A couple of years as well.
Yeah.
2,
Maybe
3.
like 18 months.
Really? Only
Yeah,
that?
18 months.
That seems like forever to
2
me.
years. Maybe 2 years, actually. Yeah. And
Yeah.
then we jumped onto that leg at some point as well. And we did like an hour.
Oh, yeah. I was thinking, I was like, what was on this leg? I remember the peonies, yeah.
Yeah.
So, free real estate, yeah. If you have any recommendations, drop in comments, and then me and Amy we can go through and pick. Maybe there's something good. Have you ever had any thoughts what to have there, or
No.
no?
No.
That's like miles
I
away
just thought I
now.
would have this side's quite gothy, like death and skulls. And
You wanna
then
keep
with the
that?
owl, I thought maybe I'd keep this side a little bit softer, like with more.
More
like,
girly, yeah.
Yeah, maybe girly and.
More black mandalas in there.
I don't know, more gentle.
Oh,
A good side and a bad side.
sound.